What's up, guys? Welcome to Glory Investing Show. As you have probably heard, Joe Biden will be the new president of the United States, and Wall Street will do its best to gain some profit from that. Even though Biden's win was all over the news, Monday's big market rally likely had more to do with the reported efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccine. Two companies are working on that, Pfizer and BioNTech. However, market experts say investors need to start preparing for a different climate, since Biden's presidency will most likely have an impact on certain sectors. Solar companies and other leaders in the alternative energy industry are poised to be among the bigger beneficiaries of a Biden White House, but that potential windfall may already be priced into the stocks. The Invesco Solar ETF went up nearly 40% in the past 3 months, but has pulled back so far this week. The ETF owns big positions in Solar Edge Technologies, First Solar, and Sunrun. Biden's win could potentially change the types of investments that drive the market. Value stocks may once again thrive, while tech and other high-growth stocks finally see a slowdown in their epic gains. There is a chance that everything will shift to value sectors such as healthcare. Valuations for tech and other growth stocks may also come under pressure if the economy continues to rebound next year. In case that COVID-19 vaccine becomes widely available, that will most likely pick up the pace. Investors are probably going to rotate back into hard-hit consumer stocks, many of which still pay solid dividends despite the pandemic. If that happens, defensively oriented stocks, or companies with lots of cash and little debt, could thrive. The 2020 election followed a difficult 4 years for international relations under current President Donald Trump, who sparked a trade war with China and multiple disagreements with Europe. International stocks, particularly those in markets like China, that were a main target of Trump's trade wars, could rebound too. Biden's plans to tackle climate change is another area for investors to watch. This potential increased infrastructure spending around this environmental refocus would benefit industries such as electric vehicles, batteries, wind, and solar. Despite the early returns, it may be unwise to focus too heavily on how markets are doing in the immediate aftermath of the election. Keep this in mind, short-term successes could also become long-term investing flops.